have you stopped using your handheld laser measurer now that you have the Matterport property report?
No, I generally will take overall widths and lengths of a few spaces and ceiling heights of a few variations of different ceiling heights in the space, just for my notes in case it ever comes up, especially if I'm going to order a data file and we want to verify it for scalability. Those handheld laser measurements are helpful.
Okay, so that would probably be a different use case for the design and construction as opposed to property marketing, where you
Right.
need the accuracy. And I think the last thing before we move on, I want to say this is all done by AI. AI is pretty good. It's not necessarily perfect. So have you found some times where you needed to move some walls to adjust, and then that literally changes the square footage of the space?
Yeah, it doesn't happen frequently. I'd say out of, it may happen, I don't know, 2 or 3, 4% of the time. It's not a huge amount. And it's more just, like as an example, if there's a bookcase in a corner of a room, they may draw the line around that bookcase, not knowing that there's an actual wall behind that bookcase. And so I'll go in and draw the space behind the bookcase because that bookcase is not staying with the property. And that's came up a few times. But generally it's right on target.
Okay, great. And so that simplifies, speeds up your billing, takes you less than 10 minutes. You clean it up for the purposes of doing your billing.
Yeah.
Cool.